Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on euro currency. So, well, actually, yesterday our suggestion on a possible downward continuation in general was correct, but we haven't expected that. It has turned to the collapse. But gradually, when the downward action started from our resistance area on the intraday charts, it gradually turns to Jerome Powell's speech, which actually has added a bit more fuel to the fire, and you can see the market has dropped back to the lows of the 105.35 area. Currently, the last thing that we just need to get actually is the payrolls on Friday above the 200,000. It's general consensus currently on the market's expectations for around 200,000 jobs created. So if we will get a bit more, this probably will be more enough to push price even lower, I mean the rate of the euro. And by Friday we could really see the touching of the OP target. This is really possible because as you can see here, market has actually no significant support areas. This is free space down to the major support, and market is not at oversold. So I do not see any problems why euro currency can't complete the OP this week, especially on recent background of the Jerome Powell comments. So today we will get the second day of the Jerome Powell speech in the Congress, but I suspect that, well, usually we'll pay attention to some details of the recent speech. So probably he will try to clarify some moments, and will answer some questions. Effect probably will be not as strong as it was yesterday, but recently we've got a lot of surprises, so we will see. The one moment that, well, somehow could inspire the bulls maybe, although it's difficult to suggest reasons that actually could inspire them. But take a look, the market starts flirting with a MACD predictor. So as you can see, here is crossing of the lines. Potentially here, if, for example, Jerome Powell will bring some relief to the markets, will tell something that will make overall situation not as tough as it was yesterday, it might be formed the bullish grabber here, as market could show some upward action. But, well, personally, guys, I think that it's more theoretical chances rather than we really will get it. So because yesterday, as Jerome Powell have said, this provided more hawkish view, not just to reverse it on the next day. So probably he will stay on the course and just will clarify some moments in his speech, in his yesterday's speech. That's why I'm a bit skeptical on forming here some reversal or something of that sort, especially when the market stands very close to the OP. But I have to inform you that here is currently at this point theoretical chance on the grabber appearing exist. So that's what we have on the daily. On the intraday charts, you could see that this is our EBCD pattern that we considered. So we suggest that it should be reversal as action stands slow, but you can see because of the Jerome Powell speech has started right at this point, market was not able to even to complete this ABCD pattern slightly above the confluence. So we've got just immediate collapse. Based on the current performance, I would say that it's more bearish. It's just because, well, if market would like to take to reverse or to show the short-term reaction, here with a high degree of the probability we probably should get the wash and rinse. So market just collapse here, grab stops below the lows and return it back up. But we do not see any return. So market dropped and stands flat below the major lows. The same picture you could see across the board. Gold market, other currencies, S&P. So everywhere market after collapse stands flat. It means that this was not some short-term reaction that is easily could be reversed, but this is starting of some gradual downward continuation to some major support areas, major targets, until the market totally will price in the Powell new comments. That's why on a lower time frame, I would consider, although once again it will be difficult to predict what it will be on the payrolls report, on the ADP report today, because you can see that whatever we have planned in general, we're correct on the direction, but well, the moment of the reversal, how market starts downward action, it's mostly depend on external factors. When they have impacted, market reacts. So we could be wrong with the particular points where the potential reversal might happen. But at this point, at this moment, based on the technical picture with this great downside thrust in action, we could consider, for instance, some pullback. Maybe if market will show the pullback somewhere to the 105.90 area, which is the 30% resistance here, retesting of these lows. Well, especially if it will be in the way of some maybe ABCD pattern, that might be interesting to consider possibly taking the short position on intraday charts. Currently, as I said, I do not see yet any bullish patterns in place, or no signs that could suggest that probably market is ready to reverse its recent collapse. Sentiment, the general stance positive. We do not see it. So that's why we could consider just short positions, and probably you could just watch for some pullback until 105.60 or maybe 105.90, or maybe some smaller pullback will be right this area. So somewhere in this area, it probably will be suitable to consider taking the short position with a downward continuation.